How to enable inbox messages notification on TikTok. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of TikTok. To check that, you can launch your Play Store or App Store. Then, search for the app TikTok. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you do that, launch it. You'll be directed to the home page. Now, navigate to the profile page given at the bottom right corner. Once you're on this page, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Click on the option of Settings and Privacy. Here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down under Content and Display. You'll find the option of Notifications. Click on that. Click on the option of In-app notifications. Now from this list, enable for the option of Direct Messages. Then head back. Now scroll down. Enable for the option Direct Messages Preview. Once you do that, you have just enabled inbox messages notification on TikTok. So that's a wrap for this video. If you find this guide helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.